Okay, now we are ready for the topic. Is being unserious Gen Z's greatest strength?
Yoi.
I will start the timer.
Okay. Who's gonna start?
Me.
Okay.
So I think being unserious doesn't mean Gen Z doesn't care about anything that happens. It's just they handle things like differently from the others. And my first opinion is humor helps them deal with stress. It means that they joke a lot because life can be stressful sometimes, but they choose to use it as a joke to deal with their stress. And the second is they don't blindly follow rules. They don't take everything seriously. They don't. They like to questioning everything. Why is like this? Why this is like that? So they're not afraid to question things that seems like not right for them. And the third is it makes them more like open-minded. When we don't take everything seriously, it's like we are willing to listen, to learn and change mind like that. That means that Gen Z is not close-minded because everything can be logic for them.
Agree.
And then is it already 1 minute?
Is done? Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's already.
It's 1 minute for me. So the next one is
Gila.
yeah.
Let's start.
1, 2.
Wait.
Okay.
Start. Go on.
Well, in my opinion, being called unserious is actually one of the Gen Z's strengths. Because a lot of people think Gen Z doesn't take anything seriously, right?
Yeah.
Because they joke a lot, use memes, and talk in a very casual way. But honestly, that's just how us deal with stress. And life can be overwhelming, right? Sometimes.
Yeah.
And using humor helps us stay relaxed and not overthink everything. It also makes it easier to talk about serious topics without feeling too heavy. And this unserious vibe shows that Gen Z is creative and adaptable. They often use jokes or trends to share opinions or talk about real issues in a way that feels more relatable. And compared to some previous generation, being a bit unserious.
no,
Okay,
Thank you, Gila.
Next.
Alicia.
Yeah.
Go on. Oh my god.
Okay, in my opinion, yeah, as a Gen Z who is a little bit not serious, unserious people, I think it is one of our strengths because we can able to talk about very heavy topics, but we can make more lightweight so that mental health is maintained. And what else? Okay, and we are as a Gen Z, as we a lot of people says we're not serious about our target yet, but no, we're not, guys. We're still serious about our target. But when we fail, yeah, just try again.
We don't take it serious.
Oh, time's up.
It's over.
Over.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Alicia.
Alicia.
So Gen Z is still with the fun way.
Yeah.
Deal challenge with the fun
We
with
like
fun way.
change, guys.
Okay.
Next, the
Sarah.
Yes.
Okay.
Go on.
I think I agree with that statement. Like being not too serious is Gen Z's biggest strength because it helps helps us like feel more relaxed and can make the atmosphere more comfortable, especially in like stressful situation. Like when everything feel too serious, we can make the situation more like enjoy. So
Enjoyable.
yes, so
Chill. Not chill.
we not easily become like overwhelmed and anxious.
Okay.
That's why I think I agree with that statement.
Okay. Time's up.
Thank you, Zara. Last one is Jihan. It's your turn.
Thank you.
Go on, Jihan.
Same with you guys. In my opinion, being an unserious person can be weakness or strength. Kenzi's ability to use humor and a relaxed attitude to stay adaptive in a stressful world is true. One of Kenzi's greatest strengths isn't being unserious, but it's their ability to stay like in a heavy world, using humor without losing awareness. That's it. But sometimes we all so much have fun and so much love, so we sometimes forget the target.
Okay.
In my opinion, the weakness that is.
So you're just saying our weakness as a Kenzi is we have so much love and humor
Yes.
that we sometimes forgot that we have a target.
Yes.
Okay. So the conclusion is
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's
so it's your choice to be
It make it strength or weakness. Yeah.
yes. Being unserious it doesn't mean you don't care. It just means that you can take everything more calmly, more relaxing. That your mind is not easily screwed up, not easily being stressed out with anything.
That's it.
That's all.
That's all.
That's all.
From us.
Thank you for watching,
Thank you
guys.
for watching.
Bye.
See you in another video.
Dadah.